Storing your bikes has never been easier or safer than with the 𝗪𝗶𝗍𝗲 bike storage rack. 𝗪𝗶𝗍𝗲's bike rack features an industrial-grade steel bar that can hold up to 200 pounds. The bar is powder-coated to be durable and adjustable. The 6-bike rack comes with an additional third bracket that allows it to safely hold up to 300 pounds. The hooks are completely rubber-coated for a better grip and scratch-free hold. The updated hooks reduce torque to protect the spokes and rims. The new design wraps around the bar so hooks can be adjusted without popping off the bar. They are also large enough to accommodate larger tires that are less than 4 inches wide. Each bike rack comes with 3, 4, and 6 hooks respectively. Installation is complete in as little as 15 minutes. Screw the brackets into your studs, slide the hooks onto the bar, and insert the bar into the brackets. When the double button clicks, you're done. Create more space in your garage with this bike storage rack or any other storage solution from 𝗪𝗶𝗍𝗲.
guys, this is Mark with 𝗨𝗏𝗿𝗲. Today on the wall here I have our Omni bike wall rack. This is one of our most popular bike wall racks as it allows you to store up to 5 bikes of any style and size. The rack is made of solid steel, holds up to 200 pounds. Comes with a fully customizable system here with a mounting track that allows you to individually space the hooks as needed based on the size of your bike and the width of the handlebars. Each rack comes with 2 individual mounting brackets, very handy for adjusting and mounting as needed based on the spacing of your wall studs. You then slide in our adjustable mounting bracket. This is the track that includes 45 individual holes to allow you to attach the storage hooks as needed based on the size of your bike and the gear you want to hang. Each attachment comes with a solid steel construction, very heavy duty, as well as a plastic coated tip here to protect your bike's rim and wheel when hanging. Again, each attachment simply slides onto the track, locks into place with a locking pin, and you're ready to go. Simply mount your Omni rack on the wall at the desired height based on the size of your bikes as well as a comfortable height for you to load your bikes. Attach the storage hook and mount your bike vertically onto the hook so that it grabs it, holds it nice, snug, in place, and again, the protective hooks are not damaging or scratching the rims of your bike. You'll notice we have the rack fully loaded here with 5 bikes, alternating upright and downward. That allows for more storage in a compact space, and the handlebars, if you have wider bikes such as beach cruisers or mountain bikes, allows you to fit in all your bikes in a very nice compact space on your wall. Again, this is our heavy duty Omni bike wall rack. Check it out, store your board.
Hybrid is designed to take a tyre size of 1.3 to 1.7 inches or 33 to 43 millimetres wide. First thing to do before buying your clog is to make sure you do get the right size. Tyre manufacturers can vary slightly compared to what they have printed on the side for various reasons like rims and tyre pressures, etc. So it's very important to measure your tyre just to double check and make sure you do order the right one. So there's a really simple way of doing this. Take your bike, simply take a piece of card, mark on each side of the tyre with a pencil, and then simply cut open the sides. I've done one here beforehand just so you can see exactly how it works, and that gives you a very accurate reading for the width of your tyre. When you get your clog, if you try to push it on just like this, it's going to have a lot of resistance, so don't be put off if you think it might be a little bit too tight. When it's on the wall, you'll be pushing with a lot more force, and it makes sure that the bike is held securely. To ensure your clog is in exactly the right place, wheel your bike in, back wheel on the floor. It's very important the back wheel's on the floor because the clog will not hang your bike. Both wheels against the wall here. We're going to go to the center point just in here, put a little mark on the wall, and then what we're going to do is go 2 to 3 inches just above that mark, and that's where we're going to put our clog. It's very important that it's above the center line of the front wheel, otherwise you'll find that when it's on the wall, the front wheel will turn like this and it will end up hanging a little bit off. Depending on how you want your bike to be, you can also spin that one round and attach it on the rear wheel. Inside the box you will find a fitting kit which contains 2 screws and 2 toggler wall plugs. The wall plugs are there if you're drilling into brick or drywall. So we've got an example here of a hybrid set up on a drywall. You can see it's mounted straight to the drywall, there's nothing behind, it's not into the stud, and that's because a hybrid doesn't have quite such knobbly tyres, so when you pull it back, it's not going to try and rip it straight off the wall. Today we're going into wood, so we don't need to use those. Also, the box handily has a fitting guide, so simply remove the 2 parts like so. That piece goes onto the wall to the correct height. You take your fitting guide, simply slide that into the back, line up the holes, and that's exactly where you need to drill. Also, the box will collect any dust that falls down. So next, fitting the clipper onto the wall. Make sure the logo is the right way up. Next, simply take the gripper, push it into the clipper, like so. Take the bike, back wheel against the wall first, and then simply off with the front wheel, straight in one. Simple as that, nice and solid. When removing the bike, make sure you pull it directly away from the wall so you don't bend the arms of the Klug. The Klug Hybrid is designed for tyres from 1.3 to 1.7 inches, so that's 33 to 43 millimeters wide. To show you the top and bottom of that range, this bike has a 1.3 inch tyre, and as you can see, simply comes out, line it up, push it back in, and it's completely solid. This one, 43 millimeter tyre, the 1.7, just pull it out and back in, a little bit more force, very, very solid indeed.